Kebji weather overview. And we've got some information here on the summer solstice. This is courtesy of the WPC. And you can like them on Facebook and Twitter. They do severe weather forecasts. They do excessive rainfall forecasts. They're great during the winter. They do it all. They are sort of a more national composite of the weather. Here locally, obviously, we have the National Weather Service in Upton, New York, and they did a slide on the summer solstice. So everybody's getting in on the fun and the sun and the sun and the fun. So we have 3 more months of nice weather, at least, and maybe more. So don't fret if you realize that we already had our longest day of the year. So what? Get out there and enjoy it. It's going to be nice. We're going to have some good weather. In fact, I think we're going to have a lot less rain over the next 2 weeks than we did over the past 2 weeks. And looking ahead to the overall pattern for the 4th of July, I think that you're going to find that our weather is going to be quite pleasant. So we'll get to that in due course, but that's just a little teaser for things to come. Now, if we go back to the aforementioned WPC, the Weather Prediction Center, this is their total rainfall over the next 7 days. And you can see how we have a lot less in store for our region. That's why we're in the lighter shades of green. The heaviest rain is going to be over northeast Texas, Arkansas, and parts of Louisiana and eastern Oklahoma. In fact, there's a big severe weather outbreak that is going to occur today, unfortunately, for these areas. So, it may make some headlines in the next couple of days, unfortunately. But that's where the heaviest rain is going to be. We don't have the kind of weather pattern that we had last week where the jet stream was buckling. We have more of a traditional summer weather pattern for this week. Now, we're going to trade the rain that we had for last week for a little bit more in the way of humidity. But I guess that's to be expected as the summer rolls along. And so we look at the GFS model. This is for Monday, and this is for tomorrow. We're high and dry. Now, we're going to wait for this warm front to move through, and that'll be for Tuesday morning. So expect scattered showers and thunderstorms for Tuesday morning. And then we'll have clouds that'll kind of linger around for Tuesday. So it'll be kind of a murky day, but definitely not a day where you need the umbrella the entire day. It's mainly for the morning. And then you'll notice that humidity level comes up. And we kind of remain that way for the majority of the week where, you could feel it, especially during the afternoon hours. But temperatures will basically be in the mid to upper 80s. I think New York City does have a shot at 90 this week. I'm talking about the urban corridor because the fact of the matter is they have not hit 90 in Central Park so far this calendar year 2019. So as we get into Friday, more of the same, temperatures in the 80s, and then we'll have to watch for a cold front that'll dip down for Saturday afternoon, Saturday night. And I think this will be our best chance at widespread thunderstorms. So now look at where the front is. I'm going to back it up just a bit. The front is coming from north to south. That, to me, screams that we're going to have some thunderstorms around here for Saturday night. And I think it'll happen in a widespread fashion. Why do I think that? Because when you have thunderstorms that move from north to south around here, they don't get killed off as easy by the sea breeze. And especially since we're in late June and early July. So you got to rely on climatology, ladies and gentlemen. Climatology is a fancy word for saying what the weather does this time of year. So I'm not that smart. All right, so here's your weather underground. Not bad. I think we flirt with 90 on Thursday or Friday, especially in the urban corridor, despite what these temperatures say. And then back to more normal temperatures for late in the weekend. But overall, a very nice weather pattern. Yes, the humidity does come up, but not as much rain chances, not nearly as much rain chances in the next 7 days. And I think that'll bode well for us as we go into the big holiday week next week. So enjoy it. The summer is here, and the time is right for outdoor activities and fun and just being lazy. So enjoy, and I'll see you next time.